On the side about the blonde.
Kailan daw?
You should be happy that I didn't telling you this.
And I grew it.
Because
He's not scared.
other people who just want to play it safe, don't want to tell you that you have matigas na.
It's like yesterday, he's wasting the gas.
I'm just saying what I heard. I don't know you. I'm just here for 6 days.
Kasi ipipigil ko. Bakit
I heard it from the people you sleep with there.
Wala na magkagusto sa akin.
Sabi daw ng what matigas ulo means.
And let me show you the...
Tigoy. Yun nga lang, tigoy na lang.
Okay lang.
Come.
Ligo na tayo para maligo na.
Ano yung ate? Anong program?
Kaya tuloy ako.
Narisod.
Read the book. What does it say?
Kuya, please guys, kuya.
Okay, I'm gonna change for swimming.
Pare sa'yo na yun.
You are forbidden to use these visible cameras to provide messages to Big Brother. Talk to anyone outside the Big Brother house. Or talk to any of the productions.
Tapos?
Tapos, what are you doing? You are relaying a message.
Shorts.
It's okay, Dennis.
Tigas ulo mo talaga.
I'm just waiting.
I'm just telling you that the right way to do it is go to the confession room.
You
Don't
ask
do
Kuya,
that.
please, to confession.
Why I ask? I'm a guest. You're a housemate. You said yourself you are housemates. You own this house. Okay, this is your house. And you said you follow rules. I tell you, that was the
Yan
rule.
daw sa gilid.
Opo.
I only want the good for you, and you have batigas na ulo. I'm not inventing it. I showed you in the book. I'm not inventing it. It's for your good. And yes, matigas yung ulo mo. You always want...
Nahiya ako.
with it, throw it at me.
Hindi ko kinaya. Sakit na ng tiyan.
Alam mo, ikaw lang ha.
Or if I have to.
Yun, Tichi, go now. Bahala ka.
Ayun ako, nag-quarrel early in the morning. Yan na yung artista
Just
ko.
wait.
Photographer.
Kuya, will open the gas. Give some time. Always stop the gas.
Yeah, but that is not the only case. You can do that all the time.
Kailan
because
pumasa?
matigas na
Nung
ulo. You
nag-walling
don't
ka?
follow the instructions.
Pasado.
What people tell you.
Photograph na kayo.
Photograph na
What
kayo.
you want to do.
Opo.
Ang hirap kaya magalit. Ang hirap kaya umiyak. Ano ba naman yan?
Kuya, please open the gas. Kuya, please, no gas po.
Napaliit.
Please, open the gas po, kuya. Please.
Oo, kaya.
I'm still cooking, but no gas po, kuya. Please, open the gas, kuya. Please.
Ano, tapos sabi ko, tumalis kayo dyan. Kaya namin yun doon. Kasi yung pinapanood lang namin sa labas. Ang party. Oo.
Yeah. After gas comes back on.
Papatay mo na lang kunin. Baka daw mga gat.
Ang daga. What's happening?
Kuko mo!
No, no gas.
Wala, nakakabitin naman.
Sabihin, Badoy! Loot naman na baka killjoy.
Pakilakas, kuya!
Dahan-dahan moment pa. Wala ka.
Parang high, di ba? High society. Ano pa?
Maaga pa lang yan, ha? Mamaya
Ano na?
Mamaya, ibig sabihin ko.
Huwag mo na tuloy na yaw siya. Nag-moment siya. Nasa ibang level siya. Nagta-trans. Yan. Ibang level.
Puro ganyan lang yung step ni Mama. Nagbabago.
Tapos bigla nag-shit yung music. Umaga ka rin siya.
Pwede na ako sa drama.
Go na! Kaya mo yan, Luz.
Ayaw ni kuya.
Ayaw ni Kuya.
Hindi ka na mahal ni Kuya.
Pag tinanong mo si Kuya, minahan mo ba ako? Jeff?
Ano naman, pang lola naman yan? Yung pang bata, yung may hagod na giling, yung
Di ba pa lola yung ganun?
Di ba? Oo, yung ganun loose. Siguro na, yung hagod, yung may hagod.
Nagirahanap na ako si ano.
Si Tin. Si Pamo.
Ay, oo nga. Ay, the best yun. The best. Ay, the best yun. Grabe, the best. Wala akong masabi sa boardroom na yan.
Hoy, Los Belinda! Ano na? Ooh, I wanna take you, Bermuda, Bahamas,
Do not forget about
High society!
Hi, go up.
Hi, oh, hi, oh!
Wow.
Split naman dyan, split naman dyan!
Don't forget me, Kevin.